I explain to my people that at that point, the goal is clinically to start to reintroduce motion to the body, to the joints, and movement actually increases blood flow because it helps squish blood through the vessels. And also we have another vascular system, the lymphatic system. So the lymphatic fluid is moving and circulating and carrying away bacteria, bringing it through the lymph nodes. It's a nice filter system for the body, and it helps also to stabilize a fracture site with internal swelling, and we want to get the excessive swelling to start to decrease. And it's not a big emergency to hurry up and get that swelling out of there, because the inflammatory phase of wound healing, which sends more blood and sends more swelling, the swelling is carrying away bacteria, the blood is bringing nutrients and oxygen to all the tissues to really get healing started. That lasts for 7 to 14 days, so a week or two.